In a primetime news follow-up, there are more questions than answers this evening after a taxi operator who was charged for reckless driving was released on bail. But according to the police, under the current road traffic regulations, the cabbie cannot be held further. Jamaica Maitland explains.
After a high-speed police chase on Mannings Hill Road in St. Andrew, which left a motorist hospitalized with broken bones and passengers traumatized, 26-year-old taxi operator Jamaican Pusey was arrested, and according to the police, he's no stranger to the law. He also has 19 outstanding traffic tickets. The taxi operator was charged with dangerous driving, but as soon as he was locked up by the police, he was released on station bail. President of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services TODS, Edgerton Newman, described this series of events as disturbing.
How is it that a man with 19 outstanding tickets have committed about 3 or 4 offences in one? They might not be the serious of offences, but the fact that you're eluding the police officers, loaded with passengers plus children, you can't just give him being like that and just send him. What you do, what they did yesterday is to send that man to drive another car, maybe in Mandeville or St. Elizabeth. We don't know. And the same thing will happen again, and he says he does not want the police to catch him.
Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Senior Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, says under the Road Traffic Act, the nature of the crime committed is in line with the station bail granted. But what about the 19 outstanding traffic tickets? He says there was no warrant for Mr. Pusey's arrest.
In this instance, no warrants were found of those 19 outstanding tickets. And so he would have been bailed and placed on his way for the offense that was committed then. When they shall have become warrants, and that is the point at which he can be taken into custody and held.
The regulations for the 2018 Road Traffic Act was finally tabled in the Parliament on Tuesday, 3 years after the legislation was passed. It means stiffer penalties will be imposed on motorists who disobey the road code. It also incorporates the use of technology to improve the detection of outstanding tickets. But the regulations will not be debated immediately, and in the meantime, the TODS president says the government must do more to protect commuters and the travelling public from rogue taxi operators while pointing to the creation of new routes.
This issue of having 10,000, 15,000 illegal taxis, especially in the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region, cannot continue. Let me tell you something. If we reduce the illegal operation in the KMTR, we would want no more fare increase. And this must be pointed out that we are in serious trouble. People are using the cover of the transport sector to do all sorts of illegal things.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.